Hello everyone, this is Jim Okrasinski with your weekly Screencast video. So week 2 is an important week here in this shortened course. We begin our serious work on developing a research topic. This research topic will carry you throughout the remainder of the course. All activities moving forward will consist of or be about your particular research topic. At this point on, after the discussion board for your proposal on Friday, there is no more one-off assignments. You will either work through textbook content, but if there's anything regarding a topic, it's going to revert back to the topic that you select and write about in discussion board 4, which is really about exercise 1.5 in the textbook. So let's get to the module real quick. Week 2, Chapter 1 has all the areas of the textbook that are important. I will post up a lecture video later in the week, somewhere around about, I'd say Wednesday or Thursday, more than likely Thursday, to carry you through the weekend. Especially it might help out about your particular topic. Now, there are some areas in the textbook are really good about developing research topic, and I do offer another path. As far as a research topic would be just the idea of a discourse community. What is one of your discourse communities that you belong to? So I think it's important to read through this section of the discourse community. I've got a couple of links to articles here that might help provide some information. And I do have a lecture video on this particular topic. So now heading over to the discussion boards. Okay, let me scroll down to find our first one is exercise 1.1 in the textbook. That is part 1 of the activity. Part 2 is identify a discourse community. So after watching the video, reading through some of the readings with that, you can answer the questions and flush this out. Be aware this is a part 1 and part 2 discussion board. As far as grading. All right, I want to see your thinking on that. Now, as we move toward the end of the week, here is the exercise 1.5 in the textbook. I would read through that exercise carefully. I also have the instructions here about the research proposal. I'm looking for a substantial post here, about 300 and 355 words, including a couple of internet sources to help you develop your content and your thinking about your research topic. So, as always, both discussion boards have responses as part of the assignment, and those all be due at the end of the week. Let me get back up to the announcements. Alrighty. Here we go. Yep, the responses will be due a Sunday. This is pretty much our pattern for the next 6 or 7 weeks. Will be exercises during the week, responses due on Sunday. Be aware that as I grade the first week's worth of activities on the discussion boards, be sure to read my comments there that in the grade. Just don't look at the grade and pass on. Just make sure you read my comments in that particular grade section. All right. As always, if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.